your child will follow your example, not your advice. Often, parents like saying, do this to their kids, but they don't do it the way they say. In primary school, sometimes we are told that, do as I say, but not as I do. It is not the truth about life. The truth about life is very different. The truth about life is your children and those who follow you are most likely to do as you do, but not as you say or as you advise. So what is the bottom line? You need to be very careful with how you behave. That means it is either you choose to do the right thing or you choose to hide the bad things. But the best answer is to choose to do the right thing. For example, if you tell your child that your child should not drink alcohol, but you're a drunkard, there's no way that child can follow your advice. The child will also grow up to become a drunkard like you. If you tell your child that, please, don't be a womanizer, but you have 4 women, the child will not follow that advice of yours. The child will follow the example you're setting and may even have more women than you do. So, your children always follow what you do, but not your advice. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe.